If you're looking for a small but capable flashlight, here it is. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a THRUNITE pocket flashlight, and this thing is small. As you can see, the box isn't even very big. But this is the latest version of a pocket flashlight in partnership with BSS, Black Scout Survival. They have a YouTube channel and a website. They do a lot of survival gear, but they are just a good group of freedom-loving guys. And this one is the little pocket flashlight. This is one of the latest ones. And don't let the small size of this flashlight fool you. This thing is almost 700 lumens. I think it's 693 lumens. So it is crazy bright. Yet this thing is only about 3 inches long. So I want to give you some dimensions here. This thing is under 2 3/4 inches tall. So very small, will fit in just about any pocket. Will certainly fit even in medium-sized hands like this. I could do a little, which hand is it in here? Is it in this one? No, it's not. It's in this one. I'm not magic, I just did a jump cut. So what we have here is the flashlight. We also get a little lanyard so we can run it through the hole right here to put that lanyard in the butt cap. We also get a micro USB cable here for charging it up. We also get the 2-direction clip here. So you can use it this way, or you can use it this way when it's pressed up against the flashlight. This is really nice because if I go ahead and just clip this on right there, what this allows me to do is use it with like a baseball cap. And I can use it almost like a headlamp. So that's a really cool feature of this. But you can also stick it in your shirt, in your pocket, using the clip the normal way. And this is a really robust little clip right there. So that's pretty cool. Now you might not be able to tell, but it also has a magnetic base right there too. So it will stick to things. If in fact the clip will stick to it, so I can just prove it. But that's a really cool little feature too, because if you're working on something and you need this to shine somewhere in particular without taking up one of your hands, maybe you're working on a car, fixing something, you can just stick it to something and it will stay there and it will shine the light, which is really, really nice. This is just beautiful aluminum construction here. I mean, it's light, but it feels weighty and robust. So not some of those cheap, really thin aluminum flashlights. The THRUNITE stuff is always really quality. Now, here is the little rubber cap, and you can see we have the little micro USB port there for charging it up, and that is because you can recharge the included 650 milliamp hour battery here. It's a 16340 battery, so that is in there. And just want to make sure that there are no insulators in there. You can see that we have an O-ring right there. It does come with an extra O-ring if you need to make sure that it's waterproof. But if I just hit this button right there, you can see it's actually backlit with an LED and the light is on. So this looks like a little bit of a firefly mode here. And if I hold it down, we go up to brighter, brightest, and then back to firefly. And if I double tap it, we go to like a turbo mode. And actually I can feel like the heat right there. And then if I triple click it, we get to a flashing strobe. So that should get you wigging out there pretty good. Woo! All right. And it goes off. Now, what you can see here is it's on the lowest mode, but if I hold it up to the brighter mode and then I turn it off with the one click and I turn it back on, it does seem to have memory. So that is really, really cool. This thing is pretty bright. But in a lit room, how bright flashlights are is kind of irrelevant. We want to see how it works in the dark. Okay, out here in the back, sun has gone down and I've got the little THRUNITE here. This is the firefly mode, which I'll be honest, lights up everything within 5 feet pretty good. So if you wanted to read a map or go through your duffel, this is going to be more than adequate for that. But if we go up here to the next level, now what you can see is this sucker lights things up pretty good. In fact, that tree line back there, it's pretty hard to see on camera, but that is being lit up. So everything about 40-50 feet out is actually really, really well lit. It does have a spot that is about 6 feet wide out in the front, but then the flood is pretty big here. It's probably creating an 80-degree wide pattern. Now, if I go up to the next level here, again, lighting up those trees, even in the midst of the snowstorm, no problem. And then if I double tap it, look at that. Wow, that is really stinking bright. All those trees lit up, no issue, even those far trees. And then if I triple tap it, that fast strobe. So, it's freaking me out. So pretty awesome. This little tiny flashlight fits in the palm of your hand here, puts out a lot of light. I think this is your perfect little pocket companion for your next trip. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.